Alrighty, good morning. It was definitely an interesting night's sleep. It was a bit cramped, but it was good. At least it was free. And yeah, now I woke up, drove to Australia Rock. So as you can see, there's a hole in the rock. It looks like Australia, with a pretty epic sunrise it looks like behind it. I'm gonna check if I can fly my drone here. I'm not too sure, but I'll check the app and see what it says, and hopefully get a really cool drone shot. But yeah, what a way to wake up. Can you see them, the two seals? There's probably there's one frolicking. There's quite a few around here. There's quite a few seals around here. They're pretty awesome. They're so playful. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll see if I can insert some clips of one of them playing, but yeah, it's a bit hard on the GoPro. All set to go. First stop, I think it's the Bermagui Blue Pool. So I just got some fuel, and now it's about half hour down to there. Hopefully get some good views along the way. And yeah, catch you at the pool. Cool, so we made it to the Bermagui Blue Pool. As you can see, it's pretty big and it's got an incredible view. So probably going to go for a swim, quick swim, and then yeah, we'll see what happens from there. I think I'm going to head down to Maroomba along the scenic drive. It should be pretty good, and then we'll go from there. That was nice and refreshing. Pretty chilly, but nice and refreshing. I'll see if I can fly my drone. We'll see. Yeah, unfortunately there's no chance of me flying the drone. It's too busy and there's a ranger parked in the car park, so probably don't want to do that. Alrighty, run time. Running along the boardwalk along the lake, so it should be pretty good. Definitely humid, but good weather, not too sunny, so not killing.
Okay, so that's the end of the trip. That's a 2-day road trip along the New South Wales south coast, and what an epic trip it was. It wasn't long, but it was definitely worth it, and it was awesome to get out in summer. I know now it's winter, but yeah, the summer was pretty cool, pretty good. Got to explore for a bit, and yeah, I hope you're excited for the next video, which is a hike up Mount Bogong, so the highest peak in Victoria. So we've done the highest peak in the ACT, the highest peak in New South Wales, and now it's time to hit the highest peak in Victoria. And a bit of a spoiler, it was an incredible hike and an incredible adventure. So I hope you're looking forward to that. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.